My name is Chelsea Williams, and I am the Director of Growth and Content Creation at Petsby. It clarified a bunch of things for me that I was confused about beforehand. Got a ton of specific and targeted advice from everybody else, especially Bob. Fixed a ton of my problems and is going to make it all way more efficient. It definitely can be lonely when you're doing it by yourself, and there's not that much good information online. It's just hard because you're using money of a client's and you don't want to be making mistakes. So it's nice when you get to talk to somebody and ask them actual questions and they can actually answer you with a valid point versus just being like, help me, and they're just like, maybe post 2 times a day. You know, it's like baby information. I would say to definitely do it because it's worth it to be able to go and talk with other people that do what you do and make friends and be able to message each other about things that are confusing you and how fast it's changing. It's just good to have community around it and just to learn from people that have been doing it and adapting for the last however many years. Because old school marketing is still the most important, but it's the people that can adapt that to new circumstances that you can learn the most from. So, yeah.